Hello everyone. Welcome to this YouTube video. Today we got the delivery of this delicious power bank. Yeah. It's a 2 USB power bank. Got trouble focusing because I'm using ultra power save mode screen recording within the camera on YouTube app. So anyway, we got the 20,000 delivery now today. There's all the sets right here on the box. And then this is how much it weighs as an estimate. This is what a 20,000 milliamps should look like eventually. Well, at least is what an estimate is. But we're not going to be doing a teardown. This is not a teardown video. So, anyway, we're going to be testing it with, it's an official cord. But this is all it came with right here, so I'm not going to show anything more. And there's more in the box from Amazon. So, yeah. Gift. And a little barcode I can't show right there on the heart. So, and this is what it came with, the yellow envelope right here. I don't got a little problem. Yeah. Here's the little thing right here. Change your... Yeah. Yep, something like that. But anyway, to the side right now. Let me put my phone down. Anyway, as I was saying, we're going to be doing a little test. This will be a test of how good it will charge. So here's the power bank itself, as I took it out before, and it looked really nice. So, as I took it out, let me pull it from right here down the bottom. There you go. Ooh, this thing's pretty heavy. So, here's the backing. There's the specs on the back itself. And it's a heavy weight. Not like real metal. Kinda in a way. Here's the USB to USB outlets. I'll be doing a test on double, because I'll be able to do a test in these two devices, the iPhone, new iPhone, and micro at the same time, and see how fast it'll charge. It has 50% inside, so would have to do a test in both. So I do have all these available, so now I got a new power bank. And as with this one, see, they both have the same material in the way. See, look at that. Same material. This one only has this much. This one's from Walmart, Huntsville Walmart, so this one's gonna run up like 7,000. Yeah, they're both the same, but the difference is this one has a percent and this one has the lights with a bunch of USBs on it, just from Amazon, from Walmart. So yeah, we'll be doing some tests, and I'll show you how it went later on. So anyway, peace out. In the recording, got the power bank. It'll be posted on Facebook, and the video will be going on YouTube. So bye bye, peace out. Here's the instruction manuals. I'll be taking some pictures in the instruction manuals. So here's this. Here's the percent gauge on the lights of what it means, and how to charge a device on either one of the USBs. It depends on what USB. Here's the different types of USB regulating the charging speeds. Adapter current output, depends what kind of output. You can use different types of adapters if you use the types that will work on it. So it may vary of what it's saying right here on the instructions. There's different types of ways to charge it according to what it says. If you double charge it at 2 at once, since it only has 50, I'm gonna try test it, charging it on both adapter right here on this outlet strip. So anyway, I'll be later on. So peace out and bye. 5-minute video. Bye.